Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm so excited to share with you the ultimate Notion template that is designed to help you improve your grades and manage your academic life effectively. Let's dive in. When you open the Notion template, the first thing you see is the homepage. Here you have the instruction toggle that explain how to use the template, which make it super easy to get started. Under the instruction toggle, you'll find the quick action buttons to navigate through the template easily. I have organized all this page into three main sections: study management, task management, and self improvement. In the study management section, we have the dashboard, my class, and recall page. On the dashboard, we can see the overall all the recent activities, and here you can see the task, quick action buttons, doubts to ask your teacher, homework to finish, and your profile and habit tracking. In the My Class page, there is a quick action toggle and section to add tasks, events, and reminders. As you scroll down, you'll find the class reflection question and reflections and question to ask your teacher, and the class homework, and then lastly the archived sections. And the recall page also have a quick action toggle. You can categorize your recall entries by understood and not understood by categorizing not understood and not understood. Specify questions to ask your teacher and access archive recalls in the recall page. Next, we have the task management section. With the task management section, we have the task page and goal page. On the task page, you can list the important tasks to complete. Inside there is also a goal page and an archived page for completing your task.